Hello guys, welcome back to our channel SME Dehradun. This is Bhupendra Singh. Today I will tell you how you can control the speed of 0.5 horsepower induction motor using Arduino. Really it's very tough to control, but finally I done it. So to design this project we need the following components: Customized Atmega328 board or Arduino Uno, 0.5 horsepower induction motor, AC dimmer, 2 push button, 5 LED, 5 330 ohm resistors, few jumper wires and AC wires. So guys, this is circuit diagram. We need to connect the hardware as per this circuit diagram. Okay. So this is 0.5 horsepower induction motor. We need to control the motor speed by integral cycle switching. We have attached the induction motor to the dimmer, and this is the AC dimmer designed by Nutty Engineer company. This is fabulous dimmer and it can control up to 2 horsepower motor. Only Nutty Engineer online store provides this dimmer. It has 4 pins: ground, 2, 5 and VCC. And I have connected the 2 switches and 5 LEDs to our customized board. Take the reference from the circuit diagram. Here we are using 2 switches and we break the speed of induction motor to 5 levels: 0%, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Upper switch is used to speed up the induction motor and second switch is used to decrease the speed. Right? In the 5 LEDs, we use 4 LEDs to show the speed of the induction motor and 5th LED is to display the power in the board. And this is Customized Atmega328 board. We use this board to control the speed of induction motor. You can use Arduino Uno in the place of this customized board. I already shown you circuit diagram with Arduino Uno. Now you need to download the programming code. So go to the video description and click on the given link to download the programming code. This link will redirect you to my Github website page from where you can download the program. So click on the code button and click on download zip option. It's start downloading. Once done, go to the download folder location where you get the zip folder with name 0.5 HP induction motor control Arduino master. So right click on it and click on the extract here. You will get the extracted folder with the same name. If you don't have WinZip or WinRAR software to unzip it, then the link is available in the video description. You can download from there. So go inside this folder and open the program file with Arduino IDE. So this is the Arduino code. In the top of the program you can see the TimerOne library. You need to install it to your Arduino IDE. Connect your computer to the internet and then go to the Sketch tab, click on Include Library and then Manage Libraries. You can see the list of entire library has been appeared. Search here for TimerOne and you will get the library like this. You will get the install button here. Click on that. I have already installed the library for it. After installation of the library, back to the programming code. Connect your customized board or Arduino Uno board to the computer. Now time to select the board. So in the Arduino IDE, go to the tools and click in the boards. After it, select the board as Arduino Genuino Uno. After it, select the port. For that, go to the tools, click on port and select the port as COM3. Now click on the upload button to upload the program to your board. As you can see, it's done. As I have already done all the connections as per the circuit diagram, so I am connecting the AC power of the dimmer to the AC extension socket. Now I am taking 12 volt 2 ampere DC adapter and connecting it to my customized board. As you can see, board has been powered up and our induction motor is at off condition. Now I am pressing the switch to start the induction motor at 25% of the total speed. You can see the induction motor has been started. And first LED is also indicating it. Now I will increase the speed to 50%. So I am again pressing the button and you can see the speed of induction motor has been increased. Again I am pressing the switch to increase the speed up to 75%. As you can see, the speed of the induction motor has increased, and finally I am pressing the switch for 100% speed. So guys, you can see the increment of the speed of 0.5 horsepower induction motor using Arduino. So now I am decreasing the speed of induction motor by pressing this switch that is used for decrement. This is 75% speed. Now the speed is 50%. This time speed is 25%. And at last we press it to stop the induction motor. So guys, this is how you can control the speed of any induction motor using your customized board or Arduino Uno. The main role in this project is the 256 level dimmer. For any kind of customized solution or your project, you can contact us. Contact links are given below in the video description. Soon I will release video on how you can control speed of the induction motor through new Blink 2.0 IoT app. Till then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and videos.